It is 9:42 now, and the air quality in one Memphis school just got way better with the help of some brand new technology, new to the country, in fact. Fox 13's Jeremy Pierre live in East Memphis with more. What's up, JP?
Hey, what's happening with you, Ernie? Now, understanding that this little piece of technology not only got the students and staff excited, but they are hoping that they become trendsetters for other schools and organizations to get people on board with getting air clean inside of their buildings. It's an extremely cool piece of technology that's cleaning the air for students at Bornblum Jewish Community School.
I think this is really cool because it makes everyone in the room safer. It's
an innovative new filtration system designed in Austria. The school installed this week in their classrooms, bathrooms, and school office. Aisha Collins and his classmates witnessed firsthand how the technology is made and how it works. Students saw how the air quality in their classroom got better after the filter was attached to the AC vents.
Like the air even. It was at 130 yesterday. And then he puts the filters in, it drops to 50.
Bornblum School is the first building in North America to use this patented technology that's been shown in a European study to capture nearly 100% of dust, pollen, and airborne pathogens such as bacteria and viruses. School leaders say the filters are an example of what schools and organizations can do to protect people beyond the mask in buildings.
And just like any type of HVAC system that you might have, it's going to require you to have some preventative maintenance and some costs associated with it. So this is just another thing that we're doing to help keep our kids safe and healthy.
Engineers from the Austria-based company that created the filter explained the technology is designed to work just like the human nose. Air that circulates in the building is circulated while it's filtered through the filter that's attached to the AC vent before being recirculated.
The main thing of this step here now to come to the US, and we did the same in Europe for schools, I think it's a preventive solution forever to keep kids safe in school.
Staff at Bornblum says getting students involved in the making of the technology and how it works will help with the future of cleaner air.
If you don't have buy-in from the kids, and if you can't make it an educational experience for them, it kind of defeats the purpose.
Understanding it looks quite like a Lego, right? But many of the engineers that created this piece of technology say they are targeting other schools as well as hospitals and nursing homes to get these filters inside of them first. Reporting here in East Memphis this morning live, Jeremy Pierre, Fox 13 News.
All right, Jay.